Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back again. So in today's tutorial I want to walk you through a step-by-step on how to register on another IDO platform. Like in our previous tutorial, I only tell you how you can register here, which I did not do the full registration. But in today's tutorial I'm going to do the full registration on new IDO. So not necessary that you will be eligible on all IDO platform, because some country are restricted to perform IDO from, so you only check the one that you are eligible. Like this chain GPT now, even my country is not eligible for this. So all I only do this because, remember, we our channel is all over. So if you are eligible, that is, you just register. But if you are not eligible, just let it be. You still have another platform. Like I tell you, here are all the platform, IDO platform here. So if you are not eligible on that, you will be eligible on another one, and opportunity will always come. So don't panic and stay tuned. I'm going to do everything like I promised. So this we have done with this chain GPT, and let's begin with this BSC part. But before that, let's check in last 3 months which are the performing ones, so that we just go one after the other. So now we are going to go on this Dao Maker, because this I think this IDO platform always have opportunity. So now let's click on it. So according to this place, they started the program since 2019, that is 2019, right? And these are them. You just read. Please always ensure you read their rules, but once you go to their platform, you can read their rule there as well. So, and so far they have raised almost $105 million so far, and they have performed totals of 176 IDO. And this is just it. Now let's click on it, the top IDO. So all we need to do is to click on this place, but you can still go through this and read it. But let's click on the token sales to know if they actually have the token currently that they are doing. So for now, look at this. We traded this coin. I think we traded this coin as well, but we did not participate on IDO. So these are the coins that they have actually participated on their IDO. So like they said 175. Now let's check the active one. The active one here, I click on this place, and luckily we have one which is the active one, which is Coban here, initial cap and raise. They have raised so far, and let's see. Okay, April 16. Okay, all we need to do now is to click on this copy like we did in the previous. Click on this copy, Dao Maker IDO, and we need to open another browser. So here is it. I have pressed it and I'm open another browser, which I just click on go now, and it's going to show me here. So this is it here. So like I said again, I'm going to leave the article in case I will still make some explanatory on the article. So the article will follow. Ensure you read the article, and after you watch the video, read the article as well, so that you get full clear of it, and some of the things you need to know, I'm going to include it on the article in our website. So this is it just now. This is the platform and this is the dashboard. All we need to do is to register first. Always ensure that you are eligible before you participate. Now here is showing me where to link my wallet, but these are the projects they have done so far. That is what is showing on the platform. on the dashboard first. So I'm scrolling down to check. So just check everything you need to check here. Now this is the feature. Now all I need to do is to click on this place here. I will click here. So it asks me to connect my wallets. I will click on this all wallets. So remember, I like using Trust wallets because that is what wallets I always use. So I'm gonna click on Trust wallets like I always do. So you can use any other wallet, MetaMask, or even Bitgate wallet. You can make use of that as well. So this is just it, and it's going to bring the instruction where I'm going to connect now. So now voila, it has bring out the instruction that I should connect here. So all I need to do is to connect wallet, and it's connecting. So after connecting, I will now go head over to do my KYC. I think it has connected. Let me go back now. So voila, it has connected here. Now let's head over and do our KYC. Dao Maker Launchpad. Okay, now all I need to do is this is the current one. I think they are currently doing the one we saw on the other platform, the one we saw on crypto coin rank. And if I want to participate, I will just check the details and offering. This end in 2 days. And all I need to do, I need to deposit USDC, and total allocation is 240 USDC. Click here to, okay, now this is it here. You see, I was not given option to participate because I have not done my KYC. So all I need to do is to click here to complete the KYC. So this page contains private information. Please sign in with your wallets and continue. I need to sign in. It's going to take me again to my Trust wallet which I used before as now I'm going to sign in. So I'm signing in. Just follow this step so that you won't have any glitch. Now I have signed in, and this is it. Now is now asking me for my name, full name, and ensure that you use the name on your, is either you use passports, your international passports, your driving license, your N9, and whatever. Use the name that is written there so that you won't have any issue. Now let me just to put it and complete it. My email, let me say Beedatech.ng.com. so I'm gonna include my name and complete it here. Yeah, so now I will now do save. Now it has given me the option to complete my KYC here. All I need to do is to start KYC, and please make sure your personal information above is correct and match like I told you earlier. So what I just do now, let's continue. Provide documents, or step 2, provide documents. Step 1, I need to provide documents. Step 2, I need to do live check. So it is very important because there are a lot of reason behind it, which you are going to see in the platform. As you can see, voila, it's bring out my country immediately, which I am eligible. Now it's asking me to choose one. All I need to choose is to choose my passport, or I should choose my driving license. No, let me just choose my passport and click continue. So it's asking me to choose to upload. I think I have my passport here. Let me choose. Okay, yeah, I have my passport in this phone. Let me check. Okay, I'm gonna proceed and just put my passport. So just like I tell you, I have, this is my passport here. I have uploaded my passport and I will now click continue here. So it will now enable me to do the live check, which I will do with I will just do now. So get your camera ready. Now this is, look, as you can see, it's showing me what I needed to do. So let me quickly do that now. So I'm done with the live check, and as you can see, they have approved it now. Now the next is to, you see, I've done my KYC. Now pair Solana wallet. You need to connect Solana wallet to set up your change profile or Solana wallet. So now all I need to do is to connect a Solana wallet. Let me open. I already have my Phantom wallet here. So now, okay, to avoid, or if you want to register fully, you can either use the Phantom wallet direct instead of using Trust wallet. So since the option to Phantom wallet, and now they are requesting me to connect my Phantom wallet, I want to connect it now in your first. So do I even have fund here? Okay, let's see. Let's wait and see. Now it's asking me update time and condition. Update, continue. So I don't have any fund here. Okay, all they need is let me get my Solana this let me get my wallet address. I copied. So here is it. I've copied now. So I've copied the wallet address. Let me go back there again. Sorry, what is wrong? Let it load up again. So all I need to do now is since already you just I will connect the Solana wallet like it recommending. So I don't know what is. I think it should bring me here to connect. So let's just wait for it because it's going to bring me the same instruction it brought during when I was connecting Trust wallet. So it's going to bring me the same information, and which I needed to connect as well. So let's wait for it. So guys, I don't know why it's taking me time now, but this is just going to bring you need to stay very patient. It's going to bring you the same way it was me, and which you needed to connect. But let's just continue the video, and after you connect, you go back to your dashboard, and you are done with them. So they will approve your KYC and send you an email, and you can now contact them. But please remember what I told you guys before you participate in the in any of the IDO. So ensure that you reach out to them and read the terms and condition of the IDO. So let me show you. So now remember, okay, I just come back to the dashboard now, and I click on this lucky cards. Remember, on the previous start I was not allowed to participate, and now the option of participate has come up. So all I need to do is to click on participate, and how much do I want to participate. So all I need to do is to add money on my I first connect my Trust wallet. So that Trust wallet, I needed to add USDC, this USDC using Ethereum network. So all I need to do is asking me how much. Let's say I want to start with just $200, but currently I don't have fund on that because since it's using the wallet I connected, I don't have fund in the wallet. Let's see. So I don't have any fund in the wallet, and that is why it's showing me the available USDC. So I don't have any form now. So, and if I want to change to BNB chain, I can still change. Here is it. Please switch to BNB chain. So let me just click on it. So let's see. Okay, you see now I have switched to BNB chain. So meaning that I can even use, aside from that, I can still use this. So deposit token without the allocation boost. If I want to boost allocation, you say increase your allocation size by 500%, your USDC will be swapped to DAO. Okay, let me explain this to you now. So I told you guys that some IDO platform already have their own coin. So like this DAO now, it has its own coin that if you buy the coin, and they are going to give you some boost. But yeah, it's very good, but sometime, let's assume you buy the coin $5 now. If the coin increase, you will be in profit. If the coin lose value, you will be in little loss. But the advantage of buying their coin, using it, is that they are going to give you almost 500% of it. So they are encouraging you to buy their coin. They are encouraging you to buy their coin. So this all you need to do is either you use or you go straight to the point. But now I don't have fund here. If I want to deposit, so let me quickly check the review here. So all I need to, this is it now. This is the terms and condition now. IDO type refundable, 3 days refund period. Total raise, they have raised they need 400,000. The FDV is 55 million, and listing is TBD. The token, they are selling this token. So take if I were you now, I would just calm down, relax, and note down this price until the token is being launched. This is the name of the token. So I will calm down and relax, and after it's been launched, okay, now look at this now. Like I told you, I said some of them, they are going to hold your token, and after a month they will now release it. Now I think everything is now clear now. So the token TGE, they are going to give you 30%. Now after you register on this token, they are going to give you 30%. Then 1 month, they are going to lock it. Is either you lock it on 1 month or 3 months. Look at it. They are going to give you 30% during the launching time, and the remaining 60%, right? No, the remaining 70%, they are going to launch it because you are also an investor with them. So they are going to launch it, and that is why I told you that you should check it. And the blockchain is actually Su network. Look at everything here. So there is nothing to hide here. If you are convinced with this, you can go ahead and invest. If you are not convinced, then you can leave it and do another project. Like I told you, each IDO platform, each network has its own rules and regulation. So but for this, the developer of this chain, of this token, is telling you now that if you invest with us, you are also one of us, which is the our investor. We are only going to give you 30%, and the remaining 70% we are going to lock it for is either 1 month, 2 months, and 3 months, and which they stated it here. So if you now agree, you will now buy. That is all, and that is it. Just do your math, and if you agree, you just continue and buy. That is all.